You can now make online payments to Divisional Secretariat Mawatagama via GovPay.
The case pertaining to the discovery of 2 containers of precursors used in the production of crystal methamphetamine in Middeniya was taken up again before the Balasmula Magistrates Court today. Piyal and Sampath Manamperi, the duo of suspects remanded in connection with the incident, were produced before the court. Sub-Inspector Jude Wanyarachi submitted a progress report on the investigations on behalf of the Western Province North Crime Division. The Sub-Inspector stated that the Acting Defence Minister has approved the detention of Sampath Manamperi for 90 days under the Prevention of Terrorism Act and submitted the detention order to the court. However, the councillor representing Sampath Manamperi objected, stating that the Western Province North Crime Division has not followed the proper legal procedure to obtain the detention order. Considering the facts presented by both parties, Balasmula Magistrate Marsha Kodituaku ruled that the Acting Defence Minister's order was valid. Consequently, Manamperi was taken by Western Province North Crime Division for interrogation. In the meantime, an individual who was recently arrested by the Police Narcotics Bureau on charges of sheltering Sampath Manamperi while he was evading arrest was also produced before the court. The suspect was identified as a driver attached to the Ceylon Electricity Board's Kaluthara branch. The magistrate ordered that the suspect be remanded in custody until the 8th of October. In other legal developments, the case pertaining to the alleged unlawful leasing of a property belonging to the National Workers' Institute was taken up before the Mount Lavinia Magistrates Court today. Minister of Trade Vasantha Samarasinghe, Deputy Minister of Labour Mahinda Jayasinghe and Kaduwala Mayor Ranjan Jailal are accused of committing fraud by leasing a land with a 2-storey building owned by the National Works Institute for ₹3.6 million in 2020 using a fraudulent deed. President's Counsel Maitri Gunaratne, who appeared on behalf of the plaintiffs, requested arrest orders against the suspects. However, Mount Lavinia Magistrate Pasan Amarasena rejected the request, stating that sufficient evidence had not been uncovered during investigations to warrant the suspects' arrest. The case is scheduled to be recalled on February 27th next year. Meanwhile, former Labour Minister Manusha Nanayakara filed an anticipatory bail request before the Colombo Magistrates Court, requesting release in case of arrest by the Bribery Commission. President's Counsel Salia Piris, appearing for Nanayakara, stated that the former Labour Minister was summoned to provide a statement regarding an alleged irregularity in sending workers to Israel for agricultural work. Having considered the facts presented, Colombo Chief Magistrate Asanka S. Bodharagama issued a notice to the Director General of the Bribery Commission to appear in court on October 2nd to make submissions. Meanwhile, the Colombo High Court directed its registrar to obtain the original case file from the Fort Magistrates Court in the case against SLPP parliamentarian Nama Rajapaksa in relation to his involvement in the controversial Krish project. The case was taken up before High Court Judge Nadi Aparna Suwadurugoda, with Rajapaksa appearing in court. A pre-trial conference is scheduled for December 18th.